This morning I'm making veggie spaghetti bolognese with meadow mushrooms. First step then, let's get some butter into the pan and we're going to chop up onions, either one large onion or two small. 2 carrots we need, I've got one chopped up, just need to chop up the second one. Now let's get on to chopping up our beautiful meadow mushrooms. I've got portobellos and white buttons here. In they go. All this goodness. Give that a quick stir around. Lots of vitamins in this dish. Also going to add in 2 cloves of finely chopped garlic. Right, so stirring through the mushrooms, the parsley, the oregano. The mixture is cooking down here and looking really wonderful, smells great too. Add in 3 tablespoons of tomato paste. If you want to, don't have to, half a cup of red wine. Now I'm going to add in my tin of diced tomatoes and a tin of lentils. Very easy, give that a mix through. And then we're also going to add in 250 mils of water. This is going to simmer for 10 minutes or so. We're just going to cook it down. It's going to be such a delicious, it's an easy dinner. It's an easy one. The kids can cook this. The vegetarian spaghetti bolognese with meadow mushrooms is ready to serve up. Let's spoon this on top. Wonderful. Packed full of mushroom goodness, full of B vitamins, low in sodium, low in fat. Lovely. Sprinkle of fresh herbs on top to serve.